Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the text message tone on your iOS device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On your iPhone, open up the Default Settings app. Within the Settings app, open Sounds. From the Sounds page, scroll down and tap on Text Tone. Here you can choose from a list of default text tones or ringtones provided by Apple. You can tap each one to hear a preview. Simply tap one to change it to your current text tone. If you want, you can purchase additional text tones and ringtones from the tone store. There are thousands of different tones to choose from, each costing $1. You can hear a preview of each ringtone by tapping on them. It's possible to use your own sounds made from MP3s and set it as your text tone or ringtone. But it's not exactly quick or easy to do, so I'll make a separate tutorial for it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.